Day 3, Wilderness Journal. So, very first portage of the trip. I'm climbing out of Seagull Lake up to Rog Lake. Muddy portage, rocks everywhere, a little swampy, short portage. But I'm carrying my 100-pound load for the first time, canoe and pack together. I get into the lake and I'm saying, that's cool, I made it. And then I fell over. Once that pack started to swing towards the lake, there was no stopping it. I just talked to someone that said they had talked to an outfitter, and that outfitter said all the lakes up here on this side of the boundary waters are running about a foot high, which means this stream, if you want to call it that, running from Jasper into Alpine Lake, it's really ripping right now. Been traveling all morning and I'm on a lake called Okishkamunski. And I think I found a campsite if there's nobody here. It's only about 1 o'clock, but I'm looking forward to getting off the water. Don't want to push it too much on my first travel day. And by the way, this is the first time I've ever held a camera with my feet and shot. For dinner tonight, I had cheddar broccoli and mousse. Really good. Wish I had more of it. Only have 3 meals left. Bummer. Didn't make it to Little Saginaw Lake today. That's okay. Played it safe. It was a great day. Met some cool people on the portages. That's always fun. I asked this one gal, I said, boy, we need an elevator. And she said, I've got an elevator with. He's 2 legs. He's up ahead. Anyway, it was a good day. Good night.